Okay, here we go again. So I went upstairs, crafted that piece, printed it out. I did have to change the orientation on the print bed just because there were some structural failures. So I put it in this direction so the bottom is nice. Anyway, I'm going to, again, pre-drill a little hole there. I'm going to show you how I'm going to attach it. I thought about making a mechanical like swing piece, but really it's not going to be disattached at any given point. So the only time I'm going to undo it is to switch the orientation. Oh, no big deal. Again, let's pre-drill. It doesn't really matter at this point where this goes. Just again, want to be careful not to break the PLA. Nice and slow. Okay, I got that done. Let me go ahead and place our screw in. Same dealio. I'm going to go nice and slow so I can very gently start splitting everything open. And the last thing I want to do is actually break the last thing I want to do is crack the PLA. Nice and slow to cut the thread. Once it starts moving nicer like that, I'm going to go ahead and place it. I'm going to tap a little. And I'll pre-drill just the back piece. Take that out so I don't get a bunch of dust unwantedly into it. Okay. I will put it back, remembering the airflow is in the correct direction. Nice triangle. There you go. Just like that. We have our piece installed. The hole is right here. It's not going anywhere. It's nice and tight. And so yeah, I'm happy with that. All right. Next video, we'll have the setup. Thank you.